say hi.
Hi.
Today we are going to make my daughter's favorite chocolate cupcake. Oh, she really loves chocolate chips. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, link below. Check it out. Thank you. First, we're going to put flour. Whoa! White sugar. Yeah. Brown cocoa added with black cocoa. Yes. Wow. Baking soda. Okay. And last is salt. You put the salt?
Mama,
Mixing bowl.
Mama,
So we
egg.
got, yeah,
Mama.
later an egg. We're gonna mix it. Do you want a bigger whisk? Yeah, okay. Okay. What? Are you like the, you like the smaller whisk? Okay, it's for baby day. Yay! Oh, so we'll mix it together. La, 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 la.
Mama.
Help.
Bruh.
We put now the wet ingredients. First is butter.
Mama, egg.
Next is eggs.
Yay!
Buttermilk. Oh. Sorry. Careful, careful. Ooh. Coffee. Oh. Hot, hot, hot. Yeah.
Butter.
No, this is not butter. This is, next is vanilla extract.
Extra.
We're gonna put this on the mixer. Make sure all the batter is mixed properly. Babe, look at the chocolate! Wow! Look at that!
Wow.
So we're gonna bake it on our cupcake tins. We use the regular ones, so the big ones. So it's the size is 3 ounces.
Okay. Ada.
Preheat na din.
Ada. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Ada. Chocolate, please.
The chocolate batter onto this
Mama,
container so
Mama.
it's easy to pour onto the cupcakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You do it?
Mama.
Here.
Mama, help.
Here. Ay, ay. Oh my God. Oh no. Yari tayo.
Cake coming. Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Some sprinkles, assorted sprinkles in here to put in our cupcakes. So we have baked our cupcakes already. So this it was baked at 170 degrees Celsius.
Mama, awa.
Yes,
Mama.
yes, for 20 minutes. Wow! cupcakes. So this is Mama's cupcakes and this is Bella's cupcakes. But for a first time to pipe on a cupcake, she's done very well. Very good, Bella. Yes.
Let's eat.
Oh, you eat that? Huh? Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's eat. 1, 2, 3. Yummy cupcakes, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.